Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make fenugreek leaf paratha or methi paratha. For this we'll take bunch of fresh and pre-washed fenugreek leaves. Chop the leaves into small pieces. And keep them aside. In a deep vessel, take 2 cups wheat flour, to this add the chopped fenugreek leaves, add 1/4 teaspoon of black caraway or onion seed and 1/4 teaspoon of caraway seeds. To this add 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix all the ingredients. Knead the dough using water. Initially I have taken 400 ml of water. Add little water at a time. Leaves also releases water. So we'll be adding less water compared to the dough of a normal roti or paratha. Make a soft dough. I have used 120 to 130 ml of water for kneading this dough. Once done, let it rest for 5 minutes. Make small ball and start rolling roti using the rolling pin. Now transfer these rotis to hot pan. Let it cook partially for 2-3 minutes on one side and then flip the side. To the other side add oil of your choice. Cook one side and flip to the other side and cook the other side as well. Then transfer onto a plate. Repeat the process for all the rotis. Once done, serve with raita, chutney or any vegetable. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.